Welcome to the channel. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a road tripper, or an adventure seeker, having the right gear can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best travel gadgets, smart, compact, and insanely useful tools that can upgrade your travel experience and keep you organized, connected, and stress-free on the go. You'll find all the latest prices and details in the description below. And if you love discovering travel-friendly tech, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more gadget-packed reviews. Let's hit the road, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. LISEN Airplane Travel Phone Holder. The LISEN Airplane Phone Holder mount is engineered for ultimate security and convenience during travel. Featuring a military-grade dual-spring grip, it locks all MagSafe cases and iPhones, 12 to 16 series, firmly in place, even during turbulence. Tested for over 8 hours and certified stable at 30,000 feet, it's the perfect airplane travel essential. This versatile mount securely attaches to luggage handles, tray tables, desks, shelves, beds, and even power banks, making it a must-have for spring break, beach vacations, camping, or daily use. The 360 degrees flexible MagSafe design allows quick 0.1-second phone locking and smooth rotation for perfect viewing angles, ideal for vloggers and content creators. Unlike clip-style holders, LISEN fits all MagSafe cases and phones, including iPhone 12 to 16 Pro Max, with a free adapter ring included. Number 4. TEMDAN for Travel Essentials. The 3-in-2 multi-charging cable offers 6 versatile charging modes, supporting USB-C for Apple Watch, Series 1 to 9, SE, Ultra, Lightning, and Type-C devices, including iPhone 16 and newer models, plus iPads. Designed for travel, this 4-foot cable is perfect for on-the-go charging, whether in the car, on planes, cruises, or at the beach. Crafted with durable nylon braid and laser-welded 3D alloy connectors, it withstands over 45,000 stretch tests, backed by a long-term limited warranty. The magnetic Apple Watch charger features auto-alignment technology for a secure, hassle-free connection, best without a watch case. It supports fast USB-C charging, 3A+ adapter recommended, providing efficient power delivery. Compact and versatile, this cable is ideal for camping, dorms, apartments, or hiking trips, fitting effortlessly in any bag or backpack. A must-have multi-device charger for active lifestyles and seamless travel charging needs. Number 3. 3-in-1 Charging Station. The 3-in-1 wireless charging station is an ideal solution for Apple device users looking to declutter their space. Designed to charge your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously, it eliminates tangled cords and keeps your home, office, or meeting room neat and organized. Equipped with an 18W quick charger, it fully powers your devices in just 2 to 3 hours, supporting iPhone models from 12 to 16 and all Apple Watch versions. High-quality magnets ensure precise alignment for fast, stable wireless charging. The foldable, lightweight design makes it a perfect travel essential, easy to pack and use on the go. It doubles as a phone stand, adjustable for horizontal or vertical viewing, ideal for FaceTime or streaming. The elevated charging pad safeguards your phone's camera by preventing contact damage. Combining convenience, safety, and style, this wireless charger is a thoughtful gift for anyone wanting a streamlined, efficient charging experience. Number 2. Septix Universal Travel Adapter Kit. The Septix International Power Adapter is a must-have travel companion for globetrotters, combining convenience, compactness, and safety. Weighing just 4.5 ounces and measuring 2.75 by 1.5 by 3.75 inches, this ultra-compact adapter fits easily into any travel bag. It features 2 USA outlets and 2 USB ports, 3.6A, with Quick Charge 3.0, plus an attached USB-C cable, allowing you to charge multiple devices including smartphones, laptops, and tablets simultaneously. Designed by travelers for travelers, it supports worldwide outlets with 6 interchangeable adapters covering Europe, Type C, UK, Type G, US, Type B, Australia or China, Type 1, Germany or France, Type E or F, and Japan, Type A. Built-in surge protection safeguards your electronics from voltage spikes, with LED indicators to show voltage levels, 110V or 220V. Comes with a travel pouch and a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. Number 1. Metean Electronics Organizer Travel Case. Stay perfectly organized on the go with this double-layer travel electronics organizer. Designed with multiple pockets and elastic bands of various sizes, it easily holds USB cables, flash drives, wall chargers, SD cards, hard drives, power banks, earbuds, cameras, and more. A large zippered mesh pocket fits tablets securely. The organizer features 3 removable padded dividers, allowing you to customize the interior layout to fit your tech gear perfectly. Crafted from waterproof and shockproof nylon with padded foam, it protects your accessories from scratches, dust, impacts, and accidental drops. Compact and portable, measuring 10.5 by 7.75 by 3.5 inches, it fits easily into backpacks or luggage, ideal for travel, business trips, or everyday use. A sturdy handle and smooth zippers provide easy access and carrying convenience. This versatile organizer makes a thoughtful gift for men and women on Thanksgiving, Christmas, Valentine's Day, or any occasion. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.